Next question is, if 15C are equals to 15C r 2 r minus 3, then find r. Now given 15C r equals to 15C 2 r minus 3. Okay. Now we have a theory which is, if NCP equals to NCQ, then either P equals to Q or P plus Q equals to N. So if P equals to Q, here P equals to R, Q equals to 2R minus 3. So P equals to R equals to Q equals to 2R minus 3. So R equals to 2R minus 3, which represent minus R equals to minus 3 and R minus 3. This part is not given in the PDF which I have sent you. So include this part also in this question. Now, and if R not equals to 2R minus 3, then the second part, P plus Q equals to N. So R plus 2R minus 3 equals to 15, which represents 3R equals to 18. R plus 2R 3R, and 3 will be added, 15 plus 3 18. So R equals to 6. Hence the solutions will be for R 3 or 6. Second, next questions. If 2n minus 3 is to n minus nc3, 2nc3 sorry, if 2nc3 is to nc3 equals to 11 is to 1, find n. Now given 2nc3 is to nc3 equals to 11 is to 1, so 2nc3 divided by nc3 equals to 11 by 1. Hence 2nc3 equals to 11 into nc3. Now putting by formula, 2n factorial by 2n minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial equals to 11 into n factorial by n minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Now as 2n is greater than 2n minus 3, so we expand 2n up to 2n minus 3 times. So 2n 1 reduces 2n minus 1, 1 reduces 2n minus 2, and 2n minus 3 factorial. And 3 factorial reduce কেটে যাবে. Okay, so 2n minus 3 factorial equals to 11 into, here also n is greater than n minus 3, so we expand n factorial up to n minus 3 times, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. So n minus 3 factorial and n minus 3 go cancelled out. Okay, now so remain 2n into 2n minus 1 into, here the 2 will be taken out by common, 2 into 2n n minus 1 equals to 11 into n minus 1 into n minus 2. Now both side n minus 1 is common and n is common, so we cancelled out n into n minus 1. So remain 4 into 2n minus 1 equals to 11 into n minus 2. After calculating and simplifying, we get n equals to 6. Okay. The fourth question is, if NPR equals to 336 and NCR equals to 56, find n and r. Now from permutation and combination, we have a common relation which is NPR equals to r factorial into NCR, the first formula in combination. So NPR equals to 336, so 336 equals to r factorial and NCR equals to 56, r factorial into 56. Okay, equals to r factorial, then r factorial equals to 6, which can be written as 3 factorial, so r equals to 3. Now from NPR equals to 336, we get NPR equals to 336, n factorial by n minus r factorial equals to 336. Now r equals to 3, we can put r equals to 3, n factorial by n minus 3 factorial equals 336. By similar way, we can expand n factorial up to n minus 3 factorial, which is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial. N minus 3 factorial cancelled out. So n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 equals to 336. By multiplying this 3 product, we get n cube minus 3n square plus 2n, and taking in 336 in the left hand side, we get minus 336 equals to 0. By adjusting, we get the following product, n minus 8 into n square plus 5n plus 42, which equals to 0. So 2 product is multiplied and which is equals to 0. So either n minus 8 equals to 0 or n square plus 5n plus 42 equals to 0. Now n square plus 5n plus 42, which will always gives the positive numbers, as n is always positive. So n square plus 5n plus 42 always gives positive, always gives negative root. Always give negative root. No positive, for no positive n, this term will be 0. Okay, so we do not have a solution for this term, so n minus 8 equals to 0. So n equals to 8 and r equals to 3. Okay. Some results. First result is the number of straight line joining n non-collinear points equals to NC2. Non-collinear points means the points which do not, 3 points or 4 points do not coincide or do not lie on the same line. Okay, so if 3 points lie on the same line, then these 3 points is called collinear. Now we have n collinear points, scattering this in many ways. We have n collinear point. Now we can join this by any number of points. Okay, this point can be joined, this point can be joined, every point can be joined. So the number of straight line will be many. So how to find it? How to find the exact number of straight line? Now we know that a straight line, to form a straight line we need minimum 2 points. Okay, if we get 2 points, then we get a straight line, right? So whenever we select 2 points from n points, then we get a straight line. So number of selection of 2 points from n points is equals to the number of lines. So number of selection of 2 points from n points is NC2. That's why the number of straight line is NC2. Now if sum of the point is collinear, that is the number of straight line that can be made by joining n points, of which r points are collinear. Now if we have, let's see, 3 points is collinear. Now 3 points collinear means these 2 points gives a line and these 2 points gives another line, but as they are collinear, they lie on the same line. So this line and this line are same, so we cannot take two lines or include 2 lines. We only have 1 lines. So 3 point, for 3 point 1 line is given for 3 collinear point. Also for 4 collinear point we get 1 line also. Now if these points are non-collinear, then we can find how many lines? 6 lines. Okay, but as they are collinear, this 6 line is not included. This 6 lines represents only 1 line for collinearity. So whenever for n points we get NC2 lines, but for r points, for r collinear points, the number of straight line will be NC2, but they gives only 1 line. So this can be subtract from the original lines, which is NC2 minus RC2, but RC2 represents 1 line, so plus 1 will be added. Okay, so thus the required number is NC2 minus RC2 plus 1. Third is the number of triangle can be made by the joining n non-collinear points is NC3. Now, same for straight line. To form a triangle we need minimum 3 points. So the number of selection of 3 points is the number of triangle. Okay, now n point is given, so 3 points can be selected in NC3 ways. So number of triangle will be NC3, which is NC3. 4 is for the triangle if some points are collinear. So whenever the 3 points is collinear, then no triangle is found. Okay, whenever 5 point is collinear, no triangle is found. Joining these points we cannot find any triangle. So the number of but if they are non-collinear, then we can find on for 3 point 3C3 and for 5.5C3 triangle, but for they are collinear, so 5C3 triangle cannot be found. So if they are non-collinear, then NC3 number of triangle can be found, but for R point is non-collinear, then the number of triangle RC3 will be subtracted from NC3. Hence the required number of triangle will be NC3 minus RC3. The problem based on this part will be done in the next class. Okay, that's it for today.